Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start grade 6, book 1, page number 21, exercise number 1B. And the topic of this exercise is the highest common factor. How to find out the highest common factor? The first question is related to that. That find the highest common factor of each of the following sets of the numbers. But before finding the highest common factors, I want to tell you that what are the factors and how to find that. So my dear students, what are the factors? Do you know anything about factors, that how to find out the factors of any number? Okay, I will tell you that how to find out the factors. Let's suppose that you want to find out the factors of the number 10. It means that what will be the factor of number 10? We can see that 1 tens are 10, then 2 fives are 10, and there is no other number where the 10 is coming. So I can just write that the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. In the same way, if I want to find out the factors of 12, so the factors of 12 will be 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. In no other table 12 is coming. So I can just write that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the factors of 12. They can be less, they can be more numbers. Let's suppose if we want to find out the factors of 30. So what will be the factors of 30? The factors of 30 will be 130 is 30. 2 stable, 215 is 30. 15 times 2 is 30. Then after that, we can write that 3 tens are 30. Then after that, in 4's table, 30 is coming? No, 4 8s are 32. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. No more. So if I want to write the factors, what I have to do that, I can write 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. These are the factors of 30. There is one more topic which is very important over here. How to find out the multiples. What are the multiples? What are the multiples? So factors and multiples, there is a difference between the factors and the multiples. Multiples, in other sense, you can say that you are repeating the table of that number. Like if I want to find out the multiples of 3, so what will be the multiples of 3? 3's table you have to repeat. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, and so on. In the same way, if you want to find out the multiples of 8, what will be the multiples of 8? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, and so on. These are the factors and the multiples. There is multiples, in other words, you can say these are the tables. Multiples are the tables. But there is one important point, if you can, which one you need to understand, that the factors are limited only. The factors are limited only, but the multiples are unlimited. Multiples are unlimited. So now move to your question, that how we are finding the highest common factor. So my dear students, here I can tell you that the question number 1, A part is, they gave us the two numbers, 12 and 30. Numbers are 12 and 30. How to find out the highest common factor? There are different methods to find out the highest common factor, but the most easiest one is the ladder method. The most easy method is the shortcut and easy. I can tell you the shortcut and easy is the ladder method. So how I can write? I can write these two numbers over here, 12 and 30. Now I need to divide these two numbers with the same table. If these are divisible by the same table, you can divide them. Otherwise, you have to leave it. So as 12 and 30, they both are divisible by 2. So I can write 2 6 are 12. Then 2 1s are 2 and 1 carry, it will be 10. 2 5s are 10. Now the next two numbers are 6 and 15. Again, I have to check either these two numbers are divisible by the same table or no. So 6 and 15, they both are coming in the table of 3. So I can divide them with the table of 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now my leftover values are 2 and 5. So I can easily check over here that 2 and 5, they are not coming in the same table. As they are not coming in the same table, so I will just divide them up till here and leave the rest. So what will be the answer of the highest common factor over here? In the highest common factor, you have to multiply these two side values. They will be 2 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6, and that's the answer. Remember that you have to divide if there are two values or there are three values. You need to divide all the numbers with the same table. And if they are divisible with the same tables, you can divide them. And if the values, leftover values, like here, I have the values 2 and 5. They both are not coming in the same table. So I just leave my division, and only these ladder part, this side of the ladder, you have to take and you have to multiply. This is your highest common factor. Only this much for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.